Alright, we're ready for day 5. So, I'm going to say the sounds for each word. You guys are going to count the sounds. Are you ready? Boy. How many sounds in boy? B-oy. There were 2, weren't there? Join. J-oy-n. How many sounds? That's right, 3 sounds. Moist. M-oy. How many? 3 sounds. Those are 3 sounds. Let's try again. Oy. There were 4 sounds. Okay, spoil. Oy. O. How many sounds? 4. Alright, your next one. Toy. Oy. How many sounds? 2. Oy. There were 2 sounds. Choice. Sh, oy, s. How many sounds? There were 3 sounds. Alright. I'm going to say a group of sounds to make a word. Are you ready? J, oy. What's the word? Joy. Oy, o. What's the word? Soil. B, oy, o. What's the word? Boil. Oy, o. What's the word? Spoil. Good job. Alright, so you've been learning about OI and OY. OI and OY. What sound does it make? Let's say it 3 times. Oi, oi, oi. We see the OI at the middle, but OY at the beginning. Usually we see it at the end too, right? Alright. Let's look at these words. We have spoil. We see the O-I in the middle. Then we have the word toy. We have the O-Y at the end. Then we have soil. Where's the O-I at? It's in the middle. Then we have join. Where's the O-I at? Right, it's in the middle. Then we have boil. Right, we have the O-I at the end. And then we have joy. We have the O-Y at the end. Alright, let's spell say, okay? This word was spoil. S-P-O-I-L. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Coin. C-O-I-N. Coin. Join. Join with me. Are you ready? J-O-I-N. Join. The next word was joy. J-O-Y. Joy. The next word was toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Do you guys see I'm putting the O-Y together or the O-I together? When I spell it, I just do 1 tap because of the 1 sound. Ready? Town. T-O-W-N. Town. Mouse. M-O-U-S. And then our E. And our E is silent, isn't it? Mouse. Our E is silent there. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. And then we have fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. And A-L-L is a glued sound. Alright, we have some missing letters. Are you ready? We have spoil. What am I missing? I'm missing the oi sound, right? Is it going to be O-Y or O-I? That's right, O-I. Then you have toy. Toy. Is it going to be O-I or O-Y? That's right, O-Y. Toy. Then you have mouse. Ow. Ow. What 2 letters are going to go there to make the ow sound? O-U. Good job. Then we have the word coin. coin. So C-O-I, very good. It's O-I, oin. So C-O-I-N. Then we have the word boy. Would we use O-I or O-Y? That's right, O-Y, B-O-Y, boy. Alright, the next word is build. So we have the B-U, we need the ill. So we have a vowel and a consonant. So write an I and then an L, build. Then you have the word joy. Joy, are we going to use O-I or O-Y? That's right, O-Y, so J-O-Y, joy. Then we have town. Ow. What two letters in ow sound? That's right, O-W. Last word we have is fall, and this is a bonus letter. All, so L-L. And then we also know that A-L-L says all, and it's a glued sound. Alright. Let's practice the words one more time. One more time. Let's go write them again. Ready? This word was above. A-B-O-V-E, above. How does rain fall from above the sky? It's got a question mark at the end. Alright, what was this word? Build. He knew how to build a town out of blocks. Build. Alright, let's go write it. B-U-I-L-D, build. Alright, this word was knew. He knew how to build a town out of blocks. Knew. The K is silent. Let's spell it. Let's go write it. K-N-E-W, knew. Alright, money. Money. How much money does it cost? Has a question mark. Let's write the word money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Alright, next word. Fall. How does rain fall from above the sky? Another question mark. Fall. Alright, let's go write it. F-A-L-L, fall. Alright, let's do this one. Toward. The dog ran toward the yard. Alright, let's go write it. T-O-W-A-R-D, toward. Alright, good job, first graders. Don't forget to make sure you do everything on your whiteboard.